Hello friends, welcome to yet another video from Gizbot. Today in this video, we will be unboxing the Apple iPhone 13, which is the latest smartphone from Apple powered by A15 Bionic processor. We have the iPhone 13 in pink color with 512GB internal storage, and we also have the official silicone case in blue color. As you can see, it comes with a new sort of packaging that doesn't use any sort of plastic. So if you take this off from the top and bottom portion of the box, we can actually lift the top lid and look at the actual contents of the iPhone 13 retail unit. As we take off the box, the very first thing inside the box is the iPhone 13 itself in the pink color. It comes with a new diagonally placed dual camera setup with 12 megapixel resolution. So let us keep the phone aside for a bit and look at the other box contents. So there is a folder on the top in which we have a SIM ejector tool, a warranty manual or a user guide, and an Apple sticker. The other thing on the box is the charging cable, which comes with USB Type-C on the one end and a lightning port on the other end. As I mentioned before, there is no charger in the box and you have to buy a charger to charge this iPhone. Now look at the official silicone case for the iPhone 13. As you can see, it also has a tab on the top which can be removed to open the box. Once we do that, all we have is the case itself, which has a soft texture on the outside and also a soft texture on the inside, which ensures that the smartphone does not get scratched with continuous usage. As you can see, the ring inside, which is actually marking for the MagSafe that is built onto the iPhone 13 and also the case. Now let us peel off the top layer from this phone. Now we have that 6.1-inch OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. On one of the sides we have a mute button, volume button. On the other side we have a multifunction button, and on the bottom we have a speaker, a microphone and the charging port. As you can see, the phone is turning on with the Apple logo in the center. In just a few seconds the phone should boot. There you will get a welcome note saying hello, and also it will say Namaskar in Hindi. As you can see, this is the first boot screen of the iPhone 13, which also showcases the smaller notch on the top when compared to iPhone 12, iPhone 11, iPhone XS and the iPhone 10. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.